Priyanka, welcome back to BeautiCo. Please ignore my voice, it's super scratchy. I have a cough right now, so I can't speak much, so I'm gonna keep the intro as short as possible. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to go from DRAB to FAB, and I'm gonna be using all affordable makeup products. There are only 6 to 7 products and everything is super easy to do, and this is like perfect for everyday wear, for office, for college, any kind of occasion where you want to have like a very presentable skin, presentable makeup. This is what you could do. So let's quickly get started. But before going, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you guys can join my little family here on YouTube. So now let's quickly get started. I just took a bath and now it's time for my skincare. Before going into any makeup, I'm actually going to do my small little skincare routine that I have. So I'm first going to tone my skin with the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic. So I honestly feel like the Pixi Glow Tonic is honestly one of the best toners I've used. It literally makes my skin glow, and I've literally got so many compliments whenever I have like done this particular skin prep. And then to hydrate my skin, the moisturizer that I'm going to be using is the Belief's Aqua Bomb. This is such a good moisturizer for all skin types. It's really hydrating and very lightweight. And then obviously some lip balm. Lip balm is a must for me. So I've been using this Laneige lip sleeping mask since a couple of days and I'm absolutely loving it. It literally hydrates my lips so well and smells amazing. So we're gonna start with makeup, and by the time I'm done with my makeup, my hair will be semi-dry, and then I'll style it. Till then, I'm gonna let it air dry. So for base makeup, I'm only gonna cover the problem areas on my face, like the dark circles that I have, then the pimple right here, some spots here and there. That's all I'm gonna do, and for that I'm actually using the foundation. So I'm using the Milani's Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. First, dab it under my eyes. And then I'm just going to take my beauty blender and very lightly run it through so that everything is even, and if you've applied excess, it will just pick it up. And then I'm gonna cream contour. Now why cream contour? It looks way natural than powder bronzer or powder contour, and I have a rounder face, so I like to chisel it a little bit, but definitely you can skip this step. I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour in the shade Oaks on You. I'm just gonna apply it right here and then blend it out. And then I'm gonna set all this cream base so that it doesn't move throughout the day with a loose powder. I'm using the Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Medium. And there's a very smooth powder, so my skin is gonna look flawless and very smooth. And then I'm gonna fill in my brows very naturally with the NYX Professional Makeup Precision Brow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown. my eyes, I'm gonna keep it really simple. I'm gonna use the cream contour that we used right on my eyelids, just like that. And just spread it out with my fingers itself. It's just gonna add like a really pretty bronzy brownish shade. Do you see that? And once this is done, I'm gonna use the highlighter that I'm gonna be using later on. This is the Pack Baked highlighter in 02, a very pretty champagne-y shade, and I'm just gonna pop it right in the center. And I'm also gonna take the highlighter and apply it right in the center, right below. This is gonna make your eyes just look a little bit bigger. Next, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply lots and lots of mascara. These two steps I never ever miss. Then I'm gonna apply blush. Never ever miss blush. It just instantly makes you look very healthy and beautiful. I'm using the Milani's Baked blush in the shade Berry Amore. And then I'm gonna apply some highlighter. With this blush, honestly, you don't need a highlighter, but I'm still gonna apply. I'm using the Pack Baked highlighter in 02. I'm just gonna take my fingers and just dab it right here. Just blend it out. I'm just gonna apply a very soft highlighter, because this entire look is so soft, so I want everything to be soft. Like my highlighter looking really blinding won't go with this vibe. And then the last and the final product, lipstick. I'm using the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Ruffle Shrimp, and our look is complete. I'm also going to line my lips with this NYX Suede lip liner in the shade Soft Spoken. Okay, I just styled my hair and they've already started becoming frizzy. I hate this monsoon season. No styling ever stays. Anyway, this is the final result. It's super fresh, super glowy, and like you can wear this during daytime, nighttime. If you want to just have like a natural presentable face, this is perfect for that. Office, college, it's such a versatile makeup, and it instantly makes you look like you have stars in your eyes because of this thing that I've done right here. This I just learned and I am loving the way it looks. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you all did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also if you feel that your friends might like it, share it with them as well. Now I'm gonna go and I'll see you all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.